Hello everyone! Creating a custom audience that is created from a customers list can help you increase the reach. You are collecting information about your customers, such as email address, name, surname, phone number, and you are providing it to Facebook. Then, Facebook matches this info with Facebook profiles in order to gain a bigger reach, impressions, by placing your ad to that specific group of people on Facebook, Instagram, and audience network. The more information you provide, the better match rate will be. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leads here. First, you'll have to prepare your customer list in advance, meaning that you already have a lot of information about your customers. Your list has to be a CSV or text file. And how should your list look like? Well, we're going to make you a little spreadsheet. If you do not know how to create a file by yourself, Facebook gives you a file template that you can download or upload it from MailChimp. Ads Manager. Go to Ads Manager in order to create a list. Click on Audience, Create Audience, Custom Audience, Customer List. Add the customer list and give it a name. Be sure to review your list by confirming that you mapped your identifiers correctly. You can also check all the errors and resolve them. How? The green check mark symbol means your identifiers were mapped correctly and are ready to be hashed, then used for the matching process. The exclamation symbol means that you choose not to include certain identifiers and that some of the identifiers have to be manually updated. Be sure that everything is in the order before you upload a list. Now, click on Upload and Create. Facebook will let you know when everything is set and that your audience is ready to use. Be patient. The longer and detailed your list is, the more time Facebook will need to process all the data. Now you can create an ad, or several ads to reach new customers via mentioned channel. On social media, there are people who are sharing some similar behavior with your customers and your audience. They're called Lookalike audience. For this audience, you need to be an admin, advertiser, or analysis on the ad account if you're creating it from the Creators Manager. If you're creating it from mobile app, you need to be an administrator or a developer. Now, you will need source. The source is a custom audience we already mentioned in this video. This audience can also be used from your Pixel, mobile app, or fans of your page. See our video tutorial how to set up Facebook Pixel. Again, Facebook identifies common data pulled out from demographic information or interests, and as for the custom audience, it presents your ad to an audience of people who look like them. Smaller audiences closely match your primary source audience. A larger audience increases potential reach, but reduces the level of similarity. Facebook recommends that basic primary audience should be between 1,000 to 50,000 people, but your source audience must contain a minimum 100 people. From just one source, you can create up to 500 lookalike audiences. Quality of the source you provide is essential. For example, if a source is created of your best customers, the results conversions could give you better results. Choose the country or countries where you'd like to find a similar set of people depending on what you advertise. You can easily choose the size of the audience with a slider. People in your source audience will be excluded from your lookalike audience. But remember, if a pixel is a source of your audience, then source audience will not be excluded. For just one ad, you can use several lookalike audiences. At the end, create your audience by clicking here and then use it while creating an ad. Check out our video tutorial how to use Facebook Ads Manager. Note that sometimes it takes up to 24 hours for your lookalike audience to be created. You can check when your audience was updated by using your Audience Manager page. At the end, on your left-hand side, you can see all the audiences. If you have a long list of audiences, you'll be able to select the wanted one, whether it's recently used or one from the website. That way, you can go through a custom audience much easier. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.